Hi everyone. If you have been involved in planning for your organization, you understand that bringing together information across your entities and your cost centers and versions of the numbers and down the chart of accounts across a complex organization can be quite challenging. So this video sheds some light on some of those issues. And there has to be a better way, so check it out. You may have multiple entities with a base business and recent acquisitions and perhaps some joint ventures. Perhaps you have cost centers located around the world with people responsible for those both regionally and locally. You are likely to have an account roll-up that takes you from revenue to cost of goods sold through operating expenses that drive your operating income, gross profit, and net income. But there's more. What about versions of your numbers, like your actuals, your budgets, and your forecasts and reforecasts throughout the year? And then finally, what about periods, and how do months roll up into quarters, and how do you cast your year-to-dates? How do you tie this all together in a cohesive way when leadership's view of how they want to run and drive the business changes over time?